Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I am a booktuber and I am making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I am doing is that I am making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from saying 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused, friends. Okay. And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So I will spell it for you, friends. Okay, it's ABHIMANYUBHABHACHARJE 1906, friends. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered a topic called different reaction to the same suggestions. This topic I've covered. And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called how he lost his arm. This topic, friends. Okay. So friends, this is 18 number video and the topic is how he lost his arm. So let us see what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends. Okay. Every 2 or 3 years, I give a series of lecture at the London Truth Forum in Caxton Hall. So here the author Joseph Murphy is telling every 2 or 3 years he gives a lecture at the London Truth Forum, that is the Caxton Hall. This is a forum I founded a number of years ago. So this was a forum which the author Joseph Murphy have founded number of years ago. Dr. Evelyn Fleet, the director, told me about an article which appeared in the English newspaper dealing with the power of suggestion. So there was a person, Dr. Evelyn Fleet. So he told the author Joseph Murphy regarding an article which was published as a suggestion in the leading newspaper, friends. Okay. This is a suggestion a man gave to his subconscious mind over a period of 2 years. So this was a suggestion which a man have given over a period of 2 years to his subconscious mind. So let us see what was the suggestion. I would give my right arm to see my daughter cured. So he used to say that I will be giving my right arm to see my daughter cured. It appeared that his daughter had a crippling form of arthritis together with so-called incurable form of skin disease. So here there was a person, friends, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that there was a person whose daughter have arthritis in his arthritis problem. Okay. So and for the period of 2 years this man continuously have given the suggestion to his subconscious mind, I would give my arm so that my daughter could have cured and my daughter could have been perfect. So this was a suggestion he used to always give it to his mind. Medical treatment had failed to elevate the condition. Even medical treatment also had failed to elevate his condition. And the father had an intense loving for his daughter, healing and expressed his desire in the words just quoted. So his father have he loved his daughter very much, and he always had the desire that my daughter should get perfect, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Dr. Evelyn Fleet said that the newspaper article pointed out that one day the family was riding when their car collided with another. So one day, the newspaper article it came, the family was riding one day when the car collided with another. The father's right arm was torn off at the shoulder. So that father's right arm was completely torn off at the shoulder. And immediately the daughter's arthritis skin condition vanished. And immediately that daughter arthritis skin condition vanished means the daughter's skin condition became okay. So here, friends, I will again explain you in a proper way. So what was happening? This there was a man. He was always used to tell to God, "Hey God, you please perfect my daughter's arthritis skin condition, right? And for that, I am ready to give my arm to you." So one day, this family was traveling in a car. An accident happened, and that man lost his right arm, right? And that man lost his arm, and immediately as he lost his arm, his daughter's arthritis skin problem also vanished. So this is a scene. You must make a certain to give your subconscious mind only suggestion which heals, bless, elevates, and inspire you in all the way. Remember that your subconscious mind cannot take a joke, it takes you at your word. So this is a very important thing we need to understand, friends. We need to always understand that um, we cannot give any wrong suggestion to our subconscious mind. We should only give suggestion like healing, blessing, and elevate. And we cannot give any suggestion as a joke to our subconscious mind, because our subconscious mind cannot take anything as a joke, right? It always take all the suggestion, and it always works and functions according to it, right? And it makes your word transform into reality. So never try to give any joke to your subconscious mind, and never joke with subconscious mind, friends. Okay, so this is very important for us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. So, friends, this topic came to an end, and in our today's topic, I've covered the concept called how he lost his arm. This topic I've covered, and friends, in our next topic, I'm going to cover the topic called how auto suggestion vanishes fear. So, this is the topic how auto suggestion vanishes fear. So, friends, this topic came to an end, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends, and I will be meeting you in the next video, friends. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.